How to add people on Monopoly Go with the user ID. If you are wondering on how to find the people using their user ID, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto friends at the bottom, just right here. Then here you can find the add friends option right here. Now to add people on the Monopoly Go with their user ID, now tap onto the search bar right here. Then tap onto enter friend code right here. And by entering the friend code, you can simply add the people by the user ID. Now simply add the user ID which is the code of that person, and after adding it, simply tap onto search and they will show the player. And after that, you can simply add them. And that's it. This is how you can add people on the Monopoly Go game with their user ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.